G'day, it's Mike from Lambda Motorcycles, and today I'll be showing you how to change a spark plug. Alright guys, doing a spark plug now that is located at the head of the CT110. Just pull the spark plug cap off. The tool that we'll be using is a 19 deep mil socket. I'll just put that on reverse. And we can just do the rest by hand. Now guys, you can actually look at the running of the bike as well. Yep, she's had a bit of rubbish in there. Yeah, so she's running pretty rich at the moment, and there's some contaminants in there, so the air filter box will need a good look at. So guys, if you don't run a really good filter, or you don't do your services often, the filter will deteriorate and will actually suck in what's ever in the air box into the combustion chamber, and it'll burn onto the spark plug. Foul the valves, in some cases leave the valve open, and no compression, bringing your bike to a stop and you can't start it. So servicing is very important, guys. The spark plug that we'll be using, that you can order from lmcs.com.au, is a DR8 ESL from NGK. So we'll put that in now. What I'll do also is I'll just use a little bit of WD, just spray the bottom of the spark plug. And that's just to help for the next mechanic pulling the spark plug out. And it'll help to keep a good thread in there as well. Good, nice, healthy thread. So I'll reverse that now. So we go clockwise. And you just need to take it up just to the washer, guys. So I can feel that's well and truly squashed up now. So just one little tiny bit. And that's it. She's nice and tight. It's got a new plug.